It is officially summertime, and I want to share with you guys my top 5 sunscreens that work excellent under makeup. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Even though all of these are my favorite, I'm gonna rank them from my least favorite to my most favorite. I have dry skin, so these work excellent with dry skin. Coming in 5th place is the Naked Sundays Cabana Cream Hydrating Sunscreen Moisturizer SPF 50. Now this one, and by the way, these don't leave any cast. So this one, it appears yellow first, but once you blend it in, it just disappears. It leaves some glowiness to your skin, but it dries out very nice. Coming in 4th place is the Naturium Dew Glow Moisturizer SPF 50 Broad Spectrum. By the way, all of these are broad spectrum. SPF 50 plus invisible sunscreen. So this one, let me show you guys how this one's a little thicker. See? And it does come on like it's gonna have a white cast to it, but it disappears. So it looks like it's like, oh, it's got a cast to it, but just give it a little bit. See, just disappears on your skin. It melts into your skin really nice. If you have dry skin, this is awesome. Serves as an extra moisturizer. I'm recommending these specifically for normal to dry skin. The next one we have that comes in 3rd place is going to be the Kiehl's Better Screen UV Serum SPF 50. All of these are SPF 50. I don't use anything less than SPF 50. So this one is going to be a serum. So it's thinner in consistency. And this is another one that when you put it on, when you apply it, it seems like it's going to have a white cast, but it disappears. It melts quickly into your skin, leaving a nice glow to your skin. They do dry down, but they still leave like that glowiness to your skin, which if you love that, I love it. Coming in 2nd place is going to be Beauty of Joseon Daily Relief Sunscreen. This one is SPF 40, which I'm not so happy about, but that's okay. Another broad spectrum. Let me show you how this is. A little bit on the thick, not too thick, but a little bit on the thick side. And this one melts right. I mean, it's white, but it melts so quickly. These all do the same thing. They melt into your skin, leaving you a nice glow to your skin. Leaves your skin moisturized. And coming in 1st place, drum roll please, is Shiseido. This one is the Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion. Broad spectrum 60 plus. This one is water resistant for 80 minutes. I'm not worried about it being water resistant. This one says that it's for face and body, and it does require you to like shake it well every time you use it. But for my dry skin, this one takes the lead above all of these sunscreens. Let me show you what it looks like. Like I said, you gotta shake it really good. This one is more on the liquidy side. So you got to be careful. So I'm going to do this instead. So again, more on the liquidy side. This one doesn't even start off with a cast at all. Leaves your skin glowy. Now, since I did mention this is excellent for under makeup, once you put everything on, none of these pill. None of these make your makeup slippery or anything like that. You do want to, like, you know, let it set just a little bit, but you don't have to sit there for 5-10 minutes for it to set. They work excellent under makeup. If one of these is your favorite, or if you've tried any of these, leave it in the comments. Now, I do have a bonus for you guys. 2 bonuses. When you are trying to reapply sunscreen and you have makeup on, you really seriously avoid putting on a glop of sunscreen over your beautifully made makeup. So I discovered a couple of products that will help you when you're on the go, when you're out and about. Maybe you're at a party or a celebration, an event, and you do not want to glop on some more of these beautiful sunscreens. We have 2 sunscreen sprays that you can use on the go. We have the Kopari. This one is Kopari Sun Glaze Sheer Setting Mist Sunscreen SPF 50. So this is awesome. 50 is the best. And then we have Naked Sundays as well. This is a hydrating glow mist SPF 50 as well. So these are excellent for on the go. You don't want to, like I said, put on a bunch of sunscreen again, spray it on, and your makeup stays intact. Now the Naked Sundays does have, so cute, so super cute, it's all small and stuff, a traveler's size or a travel size that you could toss in your bag and you're good to go. This one is so cute. I love it. So that's what I have for you guys today as far as sunscreen, my top 5 and some bonus products that can help you. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Let me know what you think. As always, thank you for sticking around and watching this video. I hope you have a nice day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified of my new uploads. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.